We're landing in Toronto, the fourth largest city in North America and one of the most diverse cities in the world. We're here for a layover. Let's see how much we can see in 7 hours. Let's go. We're on the train headed to Union Station. To Union, we're in Toronto. Our first stop is to find a place to eat. We've heard great things about the Jamaican cuisine in Toronto, so we check in to Chubby's, a long-standing establishment serving jerk chicken. Oh my god. We just ate at Chubby's Jamaican food. They got a Michelin star in 2022. And now we're heading to the Kensington Market. Little two-story homes right here. Lots of foliage, and it's not too hot or humid. Look at how cute these homes are with these little triangle roofs. Super cute. So we are here on a layover, and we took the train to Union Station and then took a lift from here, and we're just walking around trying some different cuisines and seeing what we can find. Coming up to the Kensington Market. It's where all the people are right there. Let's go.
When I hit the ground, baby, I got traction. A man of action. Oh.
Wow, it's like a big county fair. So much going on. Which one are you guys? Super funky, lots of food places, and it reminded me a lot of Haight-Ashbury Street in San Francisco. Found a cool alley with lots of street art. Train just went by. We're waiting for our lift to take us to the Distillery District. We made it to the Distillery District. Looks like all pedestrian friendly. Distillery District! Look at all these cool old brick buildings. Jazz band playing behind us, and they say that this area dates back to 1832. Coolest coffee shop. It's called Balzac's. Look at this upper deck. The Distillery District is a great place to spend your layover in Toronto, shop, take in some history, and enjoy live music. From here, we head back to the airport. The quickest route is Uber or Lyft, which takes us about 35 minutes. We hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for many more travel videos.